Good morning everyone and welcome to the overnight report. My name is Rachel Nunn. I will be taking you through today's presentation. Today is Wednesday the 20th of August 2014. Firstly, the disclaimer. Trading involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for you. All material in this presentation is general advice only and does not take into consideration your particular needs. Let's have a look at what happened last night. Overnight and from around the globe, we start with Wall Street, where US stocks ended high for the second straight session on Tuesday as robust housing data and strong earnings from Dow component Home Depot overshadowed lingering concerns about the conflict in Ukraine. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose by 81 points or 0.48% to close at 16,920. The broader S&P 500 closed up 0.5% and finished at 1,982. The Nasdaq, which is the technology index, rose 0.43% to close at 4,528. In Europe, the Stockmarket 50 index, which comprises several European markets, rose 0.57% and finished at 3,091. In London, the FTSE 100 index rose by 0.56% and closed at 6,779. In Japan, the Nikkei index rose by 0.83% and closed at 15,318. In China, the Shanghai index rose to 2,374. On the commodities, gold a short time ago was trading at 1,297 US an ounce, which is down 0.2%. Silver closed this morning at $19.43, which is down 1%. Crude oil closed at $92.76 US a barrel, and that's down 1% as heavy selling was seen due to supply levels remaining well above that of the demand. Copper, the world's economic barometer, this morning was at 312 cents per pound, and that's down 0.53%. Iron ore, which is important for our miners such as BHP, Rio, Atlas Iron and Fortescue, slipped 0.3% to $93 US a tonne. On the currencies, the Aussie dollar is at 93.01 US cents and will exchange for 69.82 euro cents, and these are intrabank rates. On our market yesterday, the benchmark ASX 200 index gained 36.7 points or 0.7% to finish the day at 5,624. This is chalking up the fourth straight session of gains. A rally in the mining heavyweight BHP Billiton shares ahead of its earnings report yesterday after close helped buoy the market in the afternoon, offsetting Commonwealth Bank going ex-dividend yesterday. On the local news today, results are expected from APN News and Media, Fortescue Metals Group, Brambles, Wesfarmers, Coca-Cola Amatil, Challenger and Fletcher Building. Local shares are poised to see a mixed open as the overnight markets were positive. However, in London, BHP Billiton shares fell 5.9%, and in late trading in New York, the miners' shares were down 3.8%. SPI futures overnight closed down 8 points, indicating a negative start to our market while digesting BHP earnings results. Let's take a look now at the economic calendar for today. At 9:30 this morning, we've got RBA Governor Stevens with his semi-annual testimony. It must be at some sort of morning tea, perhaps. Then at 10:30, we've got Westpac with their leading index. That's in Australia. A little bit further ahead, we do have the Bank of England with their minutes at 7:30 tonight. And then the regular Wednesday crude inventory results. Then at 4 a.m. tomorrow morning, we've got the US Federal Open Market Committee with their minutes from their meeting in July. And that concludes our presentation for the. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope you have a lovely day. We'll be back again this afternoon for the midday report. Bye-bye.